You dropped your lucky penny.
Back in the tube.
Why?
That's why.
M&M's Minis. Tons of chocolate candy searching for a map.
Guess what day it is?
Save it, hump boy.
You're my biggest fan.
As I was saying, dogs can only see in black and white.
I did not know that.
Chocolate for brains.
Oh!
Last time I fall asleep in Tijuana.
That should keep him busy. Nah.
Yeah?
Buy 3 packs of M&M's and get a free Unpredictable M-Ball.
All right, only 13 more hours to go.
逗趣巧克力，我从来没输过，感觉身体被掏空了。
This is what, Red? Is this the bit where you say, it's not you, it's me? Because I don't want to hear it. We're through, Red.
Time to pack.
Here goes nothing.
You're my biggest fan.
No? Why?
Because you're killing me.
Did I pass?
What? I told you, he bit me first! The kid bit me first!
Hey, I know him. Smile, Red. I'm making a virus video.
But I like my legs. But for now, let's get out on that dance floor and groove.
Now this I gotta see.